Assalamu alaikum to all my lovely students. How is everyone? सब लोग कैसे हैं? And tell me one thing, are you all enjoying your lectures? Are you all doing good? So we have Anaya, Ayan, Bisma, Zoha, Mehsan, Nail, and Fiza, Maham. It's really good to see you all. Good morning. Come on, say good morning.
Assalamu alaikum, Miss.
Walaikum assalam. I can hear everybody. So, how is everyone?
Assalamu alaikum, Miss.
Now, one thing I want to tell you
Fine.
that of
Yes, we are fine.
at the start of the class, I want to tell you something, dear students, that if you all want to ask me something, raise your hand and wait while the class is going. And today we are going to learn comprehension. Okay, and bring, as I told you in my last class, dear students, bring pencil along with you and try to keep all the things related to English, like your English books, okay, and everything. Okay, and try to listen and don't try to create any disturbance. Okay, if you want to hear me clearly and if you want to a really smooth class. Okay, now let's get started. I'm going to share something with you. Okay, now look here. This is the book which we need in our class today. Come on, take out this book, comprehension worksheets. Okay, and we are going to do comprehension number 6. Take out comprehension worksheets, everybody, and show it to me in your cameras. You can show it to me. Number 6. Yes, good, nice. Take it out. Very good, very good. Now let's get started, okay? I'm going to explain it to you. Comprehension number 6, take it out. So dear students, as you can see, what is this? This picture describes a birthday party, and today we are going to read something related to birthdays. You all enjoy having birthdays, and I know it. Everybody loves it and likes it. So today I'm going to tell you something about birthdays. Okay? Now let's get started. Okay, you all have taken out this book. I hope so. You all have taken it out. And here is the atmosphere of a birthday party. And you all recognize my voice. Okay, and you all know me. I am Miss. Okay, so now let's get started. I want you all to be really attentive. Ariba and Kiran, the twin sisters. Now, dear students, you know what are twins? Twins are babies who are born at the same time. They might look the same or sometimes they don't look same, okay? They are called twins. Fiza Zainab, please don't do things like this. Okay, your names appears whenever you do this. Okay, Fiza, stop doing things like this. Dear students, please don't doodle and don't ruin it. Okay. Ariba and Kiran, the twin sisters, had their 7th birthday party. Now I'm going to start it. Okay? And what are twins? Twins are babies who are born at the same times, or they are born at very short period, that the difference of very short period of times, they may look alike or not. Okay? So they were having their 7th birthday party. Which birthday party? 7th birthday party. Their mom and dad had invited all their friends from school. Mom and dad had invited all their friends from school. That means all their classmates were invited at the party. Okay. And they when it's your birthday, are you all happy or not? Tell me, are you all happy or not? We all are happy when it's our birthday. So Ariba and Kiran, they were also very, very happy. Their mom and dad, I'm requesting you not to do this. Please, dear students, don't make lines and don't win because your name is appearing here. First, Faiza did it, and then Mohammed Faizan was it, I guess. Okay, so your name appears here when you do something at your screen, when you ruin my slide. Okay, beta, please don't do it. Yes, Sayyeda Zoha, if you want to ask something. Beta, I'll give you chance. You will ask me something first. Let me explain this, then I'll ask you Zoha. Okay, it's fine. Let me explain these 2 paragraphs. Their mom and dad had invited all their friends from school. Ariba and Kiran were really excited. Now, when there is a party, when it's your birthday, you all are really, really excited and happy. Many goodies were prepared for the party. Okay, there were tasty pizzas, a big, beautifully decorated cake, yummy ice cream, mini sandwich, strawberry tarts, and several types of fruit juices. Oh my God, that's so nice. So there were many, many things at the party. When there is a party, you know, dear students, so there are many things that we arrange. Okay, so there was pizza, there was ice cream, yummy ice cream, mini sandwich, strawberry tarts, and several types of fruit juices. That means it was a great party. Okay, at the party there was a clown who made balloon animals for children. And you know, at this party there was a clown. Now, what is a clown? A joker. Yes, a joker was there in the party. Why do you think there was a joker? Because children get excited, they get happy to see characters like this. He also made piñata filled with candy and toys. Now, what is a piñata? Look here, look at this picture. This is a piñata. This is like, you can stuff it with different goodies, with candies. Okay, you can stuff it. Okay, now towards our remaining pair, but first let me see what Zoha wanted to ask. I will unmute Zoha. Okay, Zoha? Just a second. Yes. Zoha, I can't hear you that clear. Okay. No, beta, don't do something like this. Okay. Now, The next paragraphs. Okay, the next paragraphs. At the party, Ariba and Kiran played pin the tail on the donkey. Okay, now they played different kind of games at the party. Dear students, when there is a party at your home, we try to make it more and more better. Okay, so they played different kind of games, tag and musical chair. You know, my favorite uh, game which I play in the party is musical chair. What is it? Musical chair. Then the clown came and made Ariba a balloon hat. That's great. So the clown came and made a balloon hat. The clown. And you know, everybody, every child loves clown. Everybody. I know. When there's a party and if you see characters like this, you love clowns. I know. Okay. Then the clown came and made Ariba a balloon hat shaped like a hot dog. Okay, that's nice. And he gave Kiran a hat that looked like a frog. Just imagine how wonderful it was looking, a hat that looked like a frog. All of their friends liked the balloon animals that the clown made. Now the clown, look here, there is a clown here in in this slide as well. Okay, and it's looking so nice. Okay, so now children were really excited because the clown was making balloon animals. Okay, then was the time for cake and ice cream. The best time at a birthday party. What is the best time? When we cut the cake. Every child is waiting. कि cake कब कटना है? Cake कब कटना है? Everybody waits for this time that when the birthday boy or the birthday girl, and here there are birthday girls because Ariba and Kiran, they are twins. And as I told you, what are twins, my dear students? Twins are babies who are born at the same time, or they are born with a very short interval of time, that like with a difference of 2 to 3 minutes, sometimes more, or they look alike sometimes and sometimes they don't look alike. Okay, now, the last paragraph. Ariba and Kiran blew out the candles. What do you do when it's your birthday? Your mother, your parents, they put some candles. Many, like if you are 5 year old, they will put 5 candles. If you are 6, they will put 6 candles. Okay. Their friends and mom and dad sang the birthday song for them. Remember what is the birthday song? Everybody loves it. Happy birthday to you. This is the birthday song. And every child loves to hear it, especially when it's his or her birthday. So there was a birthday song. They opened all their presents. What happened? They opened all their presents. What are presents? Gifts. Now, another excitement is about birthday, that we get lots and lots of gifts when it's our birthday. We get lots and lots of gifts whenever it's our birthday. And dear students, who gives you the best birthday gift? Who? In my case, my parents, they give me the best gift. And I think it's same for you. Parents give you the best, your grandparents, your favorite uncle, your favorite aunts, and if you have elder siblings, elder brother or elder sister, they give you very nice presents, I know. So then mom and dad surprise them. Mom and dad surprise them. What is the meaning of surprise? At once, something that happens which we are not expecting. Surprise them. Surprised whom? Ariba and Kiran with their biggest gift, shiny new bicycles. Oh my God. So mom and dad, they gifted shiny new bicycles to Ariba and Kiran. Okay.
So, what do you think? What kind of party it was? There was goodies. There was a piñata. There was lots of candies. There were pizzas. There were tarts. Okay, and there was a clown who was making hats. Okay, balloon hats, and the kids were loving it. So it was very nice, I guess. Now, dear students, first, we are going to read it once again. I'm going to read it out and listen to me really carefully, and then take out your pencil, erasers, and get ready as we are going to do our work here. Okay, so get ready. I'm going to be started. We are going to read again. So, party for twins. Okay. Ariba and Kiran, the twin sisters, had their 7th birthday party. Which birthday party? 7th birthday party. Their mom and dad had invited all their friends. All the friends were invited at the party. Okay, okay. Their mom and dad had invited all their friends from school. That means all the classmates were invited. Ariba and Kiran were really excited. What is the meaning of excited? They were feeling like, okay, what will happen? We are going to have lots and lots of fun. Many goodies were prepared for the party. There were tasty pizzas, a big, beautifully decorated cake, yummy ice cream, mini sandwiches, strawberry tarts, and several types of fruit juices. At, at the party, there was a clown who made balloon animals for children's. He also made pinata filled with candies and toys. And here is the picture, okay, of pinata. Here, there, inside it, there is lot of goodies like small toys, like candies, okay, and the kids love it. Now, remaining paragraphs. At the party, Ariba and Kiran played Pin the Tail on the Donkey. It is the name of a game, like we play several other games. Okay, tag and musical chairs. Then the clown came and made Ariba a balloon hat, okay, shaped like a hot dog. And he gave Kiran a hat that looked like a frog. All of their friends liked the balloon animals that the clown made. Then was the time for the cake and ice cream. Okay, finally there was the time for cake and the ice cream. Ariba and Kiran blew out the candles on the cake. Their friends and mom and dad sang the birthday song for them. They opened their presents. Then mom and dad surprised them with their biggest gift, shiny new bicycles. Now we are going to do our work. Now turn the page. Okay, now we are going to start doing our work. So dear students, this is the page, okay? You can turn it and there is the page and we are going to do the work here, okay? And I want you all to do your work in really good handwriting. Write your full name and grade means your class. Class 3, okay? Write it down, come on. Write your full name here as I'm showing, grade, and write down the date. Today is 13-1-11. Write down the date. Now, number 1, how old Ariba and Kiran are? Which birthday was there? There was 5th, 6th, 7th. Which birthday? You can read the comprehension. As students, I'm telling you, very good, very good. You all are showing it to me. It's Ariba and Kiran's which birthday? They are 7 years old. Come on, write it. In very good handwriting, do it. Yes, very nice. I'm giving you time. Beta, comprehension means to read and understand. The best you will read it, the best you will understand it. Okay? Whenever there is a comprehension given, as I explain you in my class as well, very good, very good. You all have done it. That's nice. That's nice. Now, number 2. What did the clown do when he came to the party? You can read it out. Come on, I'm giving you 1 minute. Read it out. What did the clown do when he came to the party? What did he do? He started doing what? Let's see. He makes balloon animals and hats. Okay, now write it. Come on. He makes balloon animals and hats. And you all love clowns. When I was a child, I used to watch cartoons in which there were clowns, and I used to be very, very happy. Okay, so he makes balloon, comma, animals and hats. And for those students who have joined us, who has just now joined us, I'm telling you that we are doing our comprehension party for twins, which is comprehension number 6. Okay? And if you miss something, don't be worried because this lecture will be uploaded. Okay, don't get worried. Now we are going to move towards number 3. Okay, what was put in the piñata? What was there? Come on, think. I told you what was there, and it's written at the back side as well. Let's see. They put candy and toys, remember? I told you there are small toys, there are candies. And what happens when somebody, like, if you bang it, all the candies comes out. Okay. And what many people do, that they take a big balloon and they put many candies and small toys inside it. And when the birthday happens, they just blow it out. So it looks so nice. Now come on, do this beta in very good handwriting. Yes, they put candy and toys in the piñata. Now number 4. What games did the girls play at their party? Now come on, turn. I want you all to take it out, to read it and get your own answers. Okay, dear students, there are some technical issues going on and it's on every side. Beta, be prepared for it. We are online and sometimes net is unavailable or the signals are low. So we have difficulties like this. No need to panic. Okay, we have difficulties sometimes. So no need to panic. Now, number 4, as I told you, what games did the girls play at the party? What games? Come on, come on. Try to answer. I'm giving some. You have done number 3. Everybody show your hand. Now here is number 4. They played pin the tail on the donkey, tag and musical chairs. Okay, I want to tell you one thing. This answer is big. Okay, so you can write it here. If you want, you can draw a line as well. No issues at all. Okay, I'm giving you some time so you can do it. They played pin the tail on the donkey, comma, tag, and musical chairs. And if you miss something, don't get worried, okay? As this lecture will be uploaded as well. They played pin the tail on the donkey, comma, tag, and musical chairs. Okay? Everybody likes to play this, I know. My favorite is musical chairs. I like it. When I was a kid, I used to play a lot with my siblings, with my cousins. Now the next one, which is number 5 and 6, and I want you all to read it. Okay, number 5 and 6. Now number 5, what surprise did the two sisters get at the end of the party? Now, what was the surprise thing? What goodies were served at the party? Try to do it by yourself. I'm going to answer it, but try to do it by yourself. What surprise did the two sisters get at the end of the party? What was the surprise the parents gave to them? Remember, what was the surprise? What goodies were served at the party? Remember, you can turn and read it. Here are both the answers. What surprise did the two sisters get at the end of the party? Their mom and dad got them new bicycles. Okay. And number 6, what goodies were served at the party? There were pizzas, comma, cake, ice cream, sandwiches, tarts, and juices. And if you don't have space, you can write it in a bit small handwriting, or you can write it like this. Okay. Okay. So this was Anaya's and Kiran's birthday, and I hope everybody has enjoyed it. You can write it. Okay, Mohammad Usman has raised hand. I will unmute Usman. Usman, what do you want to ask, beta? Mohammad Usman? You want to ask something? You have. Yes, Usman, I can hear. Come on. Yes, Usman. Hello, beta.
Miss, all this,
Yes, Usman.
Miss, all this time your voice wasn't even coming to me.
Okay, the voice wasn't coming, but here we could hear everything quite clear, beta. Now is it check? Is there any technical issue
Yes, Miss, but
from your side?
Miss, I think so. I will check it.
Okay, that's nice. But you understood the comprehension today, beta?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Usman.
Yes, Miss, I understand a little bit.
A little bit. Okay, then you can watch the recorded lecture and you are going to understand it more and more. Okay? Okay, now I will mute you again, beta. Arham Khalid has also raised hand. Yes, Arham, what do you want to ask? As for others, do this, complete it, beta. Arham? I have unmuted you, Arham Khalid. Okay. Dear students, I hope you all have done your work. Okay, I hope you all have done your work, and if somebody has joined me late, you can watch the recorded. Yes, Faraz Bashir has raised hand. Yes, Faraz, what do you want to ask? I have unmuted you. Yes, dear Faraz.
Teacher?
Yes, beta.
Teacher, I don't have a book.
You don't have comprehension book? Why? It's not at school. It's with the kids at home. Search it. You will get it in your bag? Okay, anything else? You want to add something else, beta?
टीचर मैं कहीं और आया हूँ.
What do you mean by acha? Okay, then it's issue from your side. Okay, bye. Okay. Usman, you want to ask something again? Anybody else who wants to ask?
Yes, Miss. I was asking that are twins in real life?
Yes, there are many twins in real life. Why not? There are many. Haven't you seen twins, Usman?
No.
Okay,
Miss,
there are
really.
many twins. There are twins in my family as well. If sometimes maybe I have twins nieces, two sisters alike, born at the same times but with different faces. Okay, so I'm repeating, you know what are twins, Usman? Two people who are born at same time or with a short difference of time, like 2 minutes, 7 minutes, sometimes 1 hour. They might look the same or they might not look the same. Okay, clear?
Okay, Miss. Okay.
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 Zoha, you raised your hand at the start of the class. What did you want to ask, beta? Hello. Okay, dear students, so this was all for today. Okay, I hope you have understood Party for Twins. This was our lecture and I want you all to read it at your homes as well. Okay, and if somebody has missed something, okay, you can watch this lecture. Allah Hafiz from my side. Have a good day and study hard. Allah Hafiz.